This is the 5th year of NextNOW Fest, which is the university's creative welcome and welcome back for Terps. It's a 2-day festival that's free, and it features music, theater, visual art, comedies, spoken word, film, dance from artists from around campus and the country. We're really looking to provide a space for students and the local community to be able to build community together. With NextNOW Fest, we're hoping to inspire involvement in creativity and the arts by students throughout their time at Maryland and beyond, regardless of their focus of study.
NextNOW Fest has been so much fun.
A really fun time.
It's been pretty good. There's so much happening and it's so cool.